Hi, good afternoon. I am here working on the Dell Inspiron. This one specifically, the P102F, doing a keyboard replacement. And these newer Dells, they're not as kind, they're not as, repair friendly when it comes to actually replacing the keyboard because of all of these right here. They have these little button caps that just don't allow for this shield to come up very easily. So I've seen other keyboard replacement videos on YouTube for this model and other similar models, and they were suggesting the way to do it is just to replace this entire shell with the keyboard and palm rest. And no, those are way too expensive on their own. The keyboards are $30. So the easiest way, it's the only way, is to pop all these freaking punks out. Jeez. There you go, folks. We're able to remove it. It's gonna be a little bent, but it's very malleable. You can bend it back into place. But now the keyboard is accessible. Amazing. Even the keyboard has these little things you gotta pop off. So much debris. But this is what it takes to fix these Dells at home. So, jeez. Ta-da. Here it is. One thing to notice is there's the old keyboard and here's the new keyboard. That this one's not folded on either of these ribbon cables, so make sure that you follow exactly how this is folded. Thankfully, there's some lines that you can use to, verify.